Welcome to the world of KULBUTOO 3-in-1. Get ready to experience the ultimate fun with our magic tumbling, fun domino, and fidget toy all-in-one package. With KULBUTOO, the possibilities are endless. Feeling stressed or need a quick break? Our magic tumbling feature has got you covered. Watch as the KULBUTOO effortlessly tumbles, flips, and spins, mesmerizing you with its magical movements. It's a guaranteed stress buster and a fascinating visual spectacle. But wait, there's more. Transform your KULBUTOO into a fun domino set. Set up a chain reaction of toppled dominoes, creating a thrilling and exhilarating display of tumbling tiles. Challenge your friends and family to create the wildest and most intricate domino patterns. The fun never stops. And that's not all. KULBUTOO also doubles as a unique fidget toy. With its smooth and satisfyingly tactile design, it's perfect for keeping your hands busy and your mind focused. Whether you're studying, working, or just need a moment of relaxation, KULBUTOO is the perfect companion. The KULBUTOO 3-in-1 is expertly crafted using high-quality materials, ensuring durability and hours of entertainment. It's compact and portable, so you can take the fun wherever you go. Unleash the fun and unlock your creativity with KULBUTOO 3-in-1. Experience the joy of magic tumbling, the excitement of fun domino, and the calming sensation of our fidget toy. It's a world of endless possibilities in the palm of your hand. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed seeing the KULBUTOO 3-in-1 in action, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Get ready to unleash the fun with KULBUTOO.